This is a new collaboration between Chapter Art Centre and Cadw. Cadw is the Historic Environment Service for the Welsh Government, and the plan is to try and encourage new and broader audiences to engage with heritage in a new way.
Darkened Rooms is an ongoing project. It's a partnership between lots of venues and organisations, and the Chapter Cinema and me and some filmmakers, where we show great films in unusual locations. The University of South Wales have assembled an amazing team to project shapes and designs and patterns and sort of just ominous atmosphere onto the castle itself. You can hear the sounds that they've designed as well as part of the whole experience. So it looks great. There's smoke and there's vampire shapes and bats and ominous red lights and wind effects and eerie drops and flashes of lightning and smoke everywhere. We're showing Edward Scissorhands and the Bride of Frankenstein to audiences in the castle. So we're doing a pop-up cinema event under the Darkened Rooms project inside Castell Coch.
That was the whole thrill of it, really. It was actually sitting there and you're kind of looking up, and also that element when you're watching the film and there's a bat flying around the actual atmosphere while you're watching it. So, and then you look up, of course, and then you're getting this sort of mirror image of the castle, of what they've got on screen and what you've got around you as well, which was perfect.